fractions. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another fraction video. It's how to compare more than 2 or 3 fractions. So in my previous video, we learned how to compare 2 fractions by using equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal fractions. So let's say we want to compare 3/4, 1/2, and lastly 2/3. To compare these, what we're going to use is fraction circles. There are lots of techniques in doing more than 3 or more fractions to compare them, but this is one of them. So with these three fractions, I'm going to make a circle for each. That makes 3 circles, but if you have more than 3, you have to put more than 3 circles. So you don't want it to have an opening. So what I did right now is wrong. This one's what you want to end up with. A nice round circle. And if you have some in the inside, it's okay. Just erase it like I did. Now we have 2 perfect almost circles, but we have 3 fractions. So let's continue and make another circle. Now we can use the circles and divide them. So since my first one is 3/4, I want to divide it into fourths. So first half, then fourths. Now this one's a half, so just half. This one's thirds, so come down a bit and put it to the side. You don't really want to end up with this if you're doing thirds. So try not to have that. Instead, try to have a nice big third, like this. It's okay if it's not perfect, like mine. Okay, now this is a place where you're gonna be shading. So 3/4. Well, these are my fourths, but I have to shade in 3 of them. So I'm going to shade in my first, which will be 1/4. And then we have 2/4. But I'm gonna keep continuing because I want to end up with 3/4 shaded. 1, 2, okay. I'm almost there. Just color in this one or shade it in. Okay, 3/4. Now I'll do 1/2. So I'll color in 1/2. So it's okay if it doesn't end up perfect. Again, none of these have to be perfect. Just try your best. Okay, so after we colored this, we're going to leave the other one empty because it's 1/2. Not 2 halves, not 3 halves, which is not really that true, but it is a thing. We will use it later in our maths because that's either an improper fraction or a mixed number. Okay, so let's continue shading 2/3. I shaded 1/3. Now I'm going to shade the second third. Now, so have you realized one thing? Well, the thing is, I don't have to choose equivalent fractions, but also 3/4 is almost the same as 1/2 because I just need to take out 1. Okay, now let's do the next part, which is writing it out. So when we write this, since it's math, we have a special way to write it. So first, let's choose the biggest or the smallest. Let's go with the biggest first. Well, this one is a lot big, but this one's bigger. So this one's 3/4. So we're going, let's write up here, 3/4 is greater than. So this is greater than, and what isn't greater than? This is greater than 2/3. So 2/3, which is greater than, of course, 1/2, or if you're writing it from smallest to largest, 1/2 is less than 2/3, which is less than 3/4. So please subscribe to my channel and write in the comment section below which 3 fractions did you choose to use this technique.